You can use categories and tags to organize your site and help visitors find content that interests them. Categories and tags can be added to most collection items, like blog posts or products. For example, you can add a category of products, and for more detailed sorting, add tags. These can then be pulled into other areas of your site, like a summary block on a different page. To add a category or tag to a product, click Pages on the main menu. Then click your store page. Double-click a product to edit it. Click Organization. To add a category, click the Categories section. Add a category. Check the box next to it, and click Done. Click into the Tags section to add a tag. Press the Enter key between each one. When you're finished, click Save. Like products, you can add categories and tags to a blog post or event. First, open your Pages panel. Click a blog page or event page. Hover over a post, then click the three-dot menu. Click Settings, then Options. You can click Tags to add tags, and then press Enter between each one to add it. The process is similar for categories. Click Categories to add them, and then press Enter between each one to add it. Click the check mark to apply them, and when you're finished, click Save. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.